Place a large cooking pot on the stove with just a few drops of olive oil, and add a large Spanish onion, chopped.
Cook onions until they start to soften, then add chopped celery and 1 chopped potato. Add a pinch of salt and pepper for seasoning, then bring to the boil and simmer for 30 minutes while stirring. Wait until the soup has cooled down a bit and then transfer into a liquidizer and blitz until it's smooth. Now transfer the soup back into the cooking pot and stir while pouring in 250 ml of vegetable stock. Put the cooking pot back on the stove and bring to the boil and simmer again for 15 minutes. Now ladle out a few spoons into a dish and add a sprinkle of parsley for decoration. And there you have it, cream of celery soup.